First, check out the vehicle mode. A heavy-duty bulldozer. Blue and gray colors with awesome detailed textures. Smooth rolling wheels. 18 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. The large shovel can move up and down freely. Perfect for realistic loading and unloading action. Time to transform. Transformation complete. The robot mode looks incredible. Standing 20 centimeters tall, with movable arms and legs for dynamic action poses. Equipped with a weapon and a long sword. Dual weapons in hand, ready for battle. Strike any pose. This mech is built for action.